guys, do you ever have a craving for chocolate cake, but you don't necessarily want to make an entire chocolate cake just for yourself? I'm going to show you how to make a very simple keto chocolate coffee mug cake that you can literally whip together in minutes using just a coffee mug and your microwave. We are going to incorporate some of our chocolate covered strawberry LifeBoost, but of course you can choose whatever you would like. I do think that the peanut butter chocolate truffle would be absolutely amazing in this as well as some of our chocolate lovers pack. Those new options would be amazing. So you're just going to need to scramble up 1 egg directly into that mug. Then you're going to add 1 tablespoon of melted butter. Now make sure that that butter's not hot when you're adding that into your egg so it doesn't start cooking. Next, you're going to want to add 1/2 of a tablespoon of freshly ground LifeBoost coffee. Again, I use the chocolate covered strawberry, but you use whatever flavor or roast you desire. You're just going to mix those 3 things in nice and evenly. And then we're going to, of course, keep this keto friendly. So we're going to use almond flour. The next few ingredients are going to require just a tablespoon for measurements. So we're going to need 3 tablespoons of almond flour. This keeps it really simple to remember too, since we're using the tablespoon to measure these ingredients out. So it's kind of a 3-2-1. So we have 3 tablespoons of almond flour, then 2 tablespoons of erythritol. Of course, you can use a different sweetener if you would like to. I'm just using the all-natural erythritol. I know that it's keto friendly, and I know that this is going to sweeten up my mug cake perfectly. After we add in those 2 tablespoons of erythritol, we are going to go ahead and do our 1. So 3, 2, 1. 1 tablespoon of the cacao powder or cocoa powder, unsweetened. We're going to add that right in, and that's how it's going to give this coffee mug cake that nice chocolatey flavor. Still using things that we know are natural and keto friendly. So just dump that right into that mug with your other ingredients. And next up, we're going to put that tablespoon down. We're done with that now. We're going to go ahead and add in 1/2 of a teaspoon of baking powder. This is what's going to help our mug cake rise up and get nice and fluffy in the microwave. Then we're going to go ahead and take some pure vanilla and just add a splash of that. I know that's not a very specific measurement, but just eyeball it, maybe a 1/2 teaspoon or so. This is kind of a personal preference thing too, depending on how much vanilla you like in your recipes, but I just do a splash. And once you have all of those things in your mug, you're just gonna go ahead and mix that up until everything has been nice and incorporated. Everything's nice and moist. There's no clumps left. Everything is smooth. And all we're going to do from here is take this and pop this directly into our microwave for 60 seconds, guys. That is it. 60 seconds, and we are going to have a delicious keto-friendly chocolate coffee mug cake ready for us to enjoy whenever we would like to. There it is. And again, right in that microwave, 60 seconds, and just watch how amazing this is when you pull this out after just 1 minute. So we do have those Lily's chocolate chips out. We don't add those until just now. So as soon as you pull that out of the microwave while it's nice and hot still, add those chocolate chips right on top so they can get nice and melty. And look how spongy and delicious this looks. What a tasty afternoon treat. As always, thank you for watching. And if you try this recipe, please let me know what you think. Have a great day.